Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 31b, in which we will take mudari' forms of two verbs starting with yaj'alu and yaftahu. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 129 words which occur almost 30,850 times in the Quran. Make sure to use TPI while learning grammar forms. We have learned fi'l mudari' for verb fa'ala, which is yaf'alu, yaf'aluna, taf'alu, af'alu, taf'aluna, naf'alu. Yaf'alu is the key of fi'l mudari'. If you know yaf'alu, you can continue with the rest like ya, ta, a, ta, and na. And plurals will have un. From fa'ala, mudari' becomes yaf'alu. Similarly, from fataha, mudari' becomes yaftahu. And from yaf'alu, the mudari' key, you can make yaf'aluna, taf'alu, af'alu, taf'aluna, naf'alu. Similarly, from yaftahu, the mudari' key, you can make yaftahuna, taftahu, aftahu, taftahuna, naftahu. So let us start. Okay, can you translate yaftahu?
He opens.
Yaftahuna,
They open.
Taftahu,
You open.
Aftahu,
I open.
Taftahuna,
You open.
Naftahu,
We open.
Okay, repeat after me in Arabic. Yaftahu, yaftahuna,
Yaftahu, yaftahuna.
taftahu, aftahu,
Taftahu, aftahu.
taftahuna, naftahu.
Taftahuna, naftahu.
MashaAllah. And let's take dialogues now. Let us say that everybody is opening the book for learning Arabic. So can you answer with a yes? Hal yaftahu?
Naam, yaftahu.
Hal yaftahuna?
Naam, yaftahuna.
Hal taftahu?
Naam, aftahu.
Taftahu will become aftahu. I'm saying, are you opening? You would say, yes, I am opening. And now lastly, hal taftahuna?
Naam, naftahu.
MashaAllah. Let's take another verb which is ja'ala. And its mudari' will be yaj'alu. Can you translate yaj'alu?
He makes.
Yaj'aluna?
They make.
Taj'alu?
You make.
Aj'alu?
I make.
Taj'aluna?
You all make.
Naj'alu?
We make.
Okay, MashaAllah. Can you repeat after me in Arabic once? Yaj'alu, yaj'aluna,
Yaj'alu, yaj'aluna.
taj'alu, aj'alu,
Taj'alu, aj'alu.
taj'aluna, naj'alu.
Taj'aluna, naj'alu.
MashaAllah. Let's talk in Arabic now. Let us say that everybody is making something good. So can you answer with a yes? Hal yaj'alu?
Naam, yaj'alu.
Hal yaj'aluna?
Naam, yaj'aluna.
Hal taj'alu?
Naam, aj'alu.
So when I say hal taj'alu, do you make? You will say naam aj'alu. Taj'alu will become aj'alu. So again, hal taj'alu?
Naam, aj'alu.
Hal taj'aluna?
Naam, naj'alu.
MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.